not yet. Shopkins. I want that to be a surprise. I've got an idea. I'm going to do a part 3 of MOJ MOJ. Oh, hey guys, I didn't see you there. Guess what? We're going to do a part 3 of MOJ MOJ, which will be blue, yellow, and then now pink, my favorite color. Let's put the toy bucket over to the side. But before this video starts, I want you guys to subscribe and make that subscribe button gray, even though it's an ugly color. Just make it gray. And also, I made this bracelet in Little Shucky's Pearl Party, which you can just click right over there. And I have scissors just in case. I'm going to show you what I got last 2 times. And part 1 will be up at the corner too. We've got a cookie and a unicorn in a tiger suit. I love them both. Let's see if we can get something different. Let's just put these to the side and open this. Just in case you guys don't know MOJ MOJ, it's this one serious star. It is called MOJ MOJ. And it's 5 and above. There's 30 above to collect and trade. So let's just open. It comes in this capsule, but it actually just comes in plastic. Let's open. There is our package. And here's the stickers that we got. Guys, look, we got a cookie, just like we have a cookie. And we also got a unicorn, but we got the pink unicorn. It comes with black string and this collector's guide, which I can show you guys. Let's take a look at the collector's guide before we open it. There are foodies, Popconics. I have foodies 1 and foodies, which is of course a cookie. And the Popconics is this one. There's also the Dotted Duo, Zoo Squad, Adorbs, and the Ops. Let's open. I cannot wait. What did we get? Ooh, guys, we got something different. It's pink. I love pink. Let's see. Guys, I have no idea what this one is. Let's see what's inside. Oh, it's a cute little bunny. We got, let's see what we got. We got a Dotted Duo. Cool. So it looks like we have a little pink deer with a bunny coming out of it. So cute. So I'm going to show you the stickers. Here are the stickers. It comes with a unicorn, a puppy, and a cookie. And this time we always have trouble putting this through the hoop. Let's see if we can do it. And guys, be sure to subscribe. But you can subscribe now if you haven't. But don't turn the notification bell yet. But because first you have to do it in 7 seconds. And also like this video. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you have, comment hashtag stickers for today. And if you haven't, comment hashtag hashtag 2019, because it's 2019 now and it's gone again. And also check out this video right here. It will be a Barbie craft video, DIY Barbie cookies, even though it's like out of this, what we're doing, out of like nothing similar that we're doing. Let's just keep trying to put this on. I can't, but let's check about the capsule. You can like close it. It's like very big. At first I did not expect it to be that big. And they always have this coming out of it. Like these little minifigures. They're MOJ MOJ minis. They are so cute. I have more. Be sure to check out these videos at my channel. And then also check out I don't know if it was part 1 or part 2, but just check out the video right over here. Because I think I already said one of those. Here are the 3 that we got. I love that we didn't get any duplicates. But the cookie pops out of the side, which is a unicorn, a pink unicorn. I wish I could see a unicorn, and I would get it to be my pet. What animal would you want it to be its pet? Let me give you some. Let me give you some answers, and then you can answer it in the comment section below. So, would you like a pet as a monkey? Would you like a pet as a panda? Or would you like a pet as a unicorn? I would choose a unicorn. Definitely. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope my videos would brighten up your day if you've been having a bad day. These stickers are so cute. So, don't forget to subscribe. Wait, before we do the end intro, tap on my circle right next to the subscribe button. Make sure that subscribe button is gray and it says subscribed instead of subscribe. And also you can tap on my circle and see all of the recent videos we have done. So come back next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Make sure it is gray. Hit the bell. Like and comment down below. Bye. Like.